Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago. It's USDA report day. As far as the government, they came out with a bearish report. They did not lower the corn yield as much as some people had thought. They basically still have a 10.7 crop. They increased the carry-in from 11.12 to 1.18 billion bushels and increased the carry-out this year to 730 million bushels. Corn futures are down about 16 cents, and we'll just see how much we want to take the market lower during harvest. I still think the USDA is overestimating the corn crop, and I think eventually it'll get smaller, and I think eventually prices will rebound. But right now the market has to adjust to these numbers. In the soybeans, they actually lowered the soybean crop about 23 million bushels than the previous estimate. They have a lower carry-in for this year at 130 million bushels, but they left the carry-out for this year at 115 million bushels. Again, I think when it's all said and done, the soybean crop might be a little bit bigger, but I am worried about the soybean market staying long, this big open interest into harvest. And what about next year? And what do we do with soybean prices next year? As far as the wheat is concerned, I think that they did not lower the world wheat numbers as much as people had feared. And so the world wheat carryout is not dropped as much. And so wheat prices are anywhere from 10 to 11 cents lower. And I think the wheat market is going to struggle here, trying to balance enough world supply versus concern that Russia may slow their export trade in the near future. Outside markets, the dollar is still lower, commodities are still higher. There's still concern about globally working into a recession, and that in Germany the bank did approve the current stimulus package but had some restraints on it, saying that this might be the only one they will approve. Still think Europe's in trouble. We have to be watching China and see if they come up with a stimulus package, and we'll all be watching the U.S. Fed and see if they come up with QE3. There was obviously some negative reaction in Libya to a movie, and the U.S. ambassador to Libya was killed. That could filter into the markets later today, and we'll have to watch and see how commodity funds react to that. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services or ADM, and have a safe and profitable trading day.